9-year-old Jaylene starves to death after her mother left her to go on vacation. Crystal Candelaria, a 33-year-old woman from Chicago, USA, was sentenced to life in prison after the death of her daughter. Crystal had went on vacation in Puerto Rico for 10 days, leaving her 1-year-old daughter without any guardian. Upon return, she discovered her daughter dead, covered in urine and feces, as she then called the cops. The cause of death was dehydration and starvation, and the death was ruled as a homicide. This mother went on a vacation for 10 days, leaving her 1-year-old daughter alone without any guardian, no one to watch over her, no one to feed her, no one to bathe her. Imagine your own daughter painfully dying of starvation while covered in feces, and you are on vacation having fun. Candelaria was sentenced to life in prison with no possibility of parole and charged with murder and child endangerment. Unfortunately, in prison, she would receive food and water, the things she denied her 1-year-old daughter. So, do you think this judgment was fair? Do you think that death sentence should be returned? Or if you were the magistrate, how would you have ruled over this case?